Hey Isabel, we have some Home Depot item maintenance that we need to do, so I wanted to walk you through that real quick. This is the Home Depot link login. If you don't have this info, I can send it to you. I believe you use it. But anyway, it's the TXJ9203. Get logged in, go to Applications, you have Item Management, hit Open, and that's going to take you, well, we'll just go through it. I have it open here already because I'm in the middle of an item, working on a wall doctor item. I'm going to have you do the cover grip items here. See how long that's going to take. I might have to show you over here. It should open this portal here, vendor data or item data management vendor portal. This is kind of the workflow from top to bottom, onboarding new items, and then you populate the attributes, and then you add the digital assets, certifications, data quality and maintenance. So this is if you get rejected or whatnot, and it goes back into maintenance. Not right now, friend. Okay, yeah, so this is where it's going to be. What we need to do, we have in the let's click on onboard. It's not an onboard. If you click on populate attribute data, this is a stage called enrich items. So these are all basically stages your items can be in. So if we hit enrich items, we've got a few of our products sitting in there. Right now we've got the 4x15, 8x10, and the 5x8. So what we need to do is click in to one of those items. Just click on this OMS ID, and then this 21 is showing us that there are 21 required attributes that need to be filled out. So we need to go through. I'm going to have, if you can go through and do the cover grip items, there'll be 13 in core attributes. Looks like there are 21 fields in marketing, and then you can click through each of these and it'll tell you how many items are missing. And if there is anything missing, it won't let you save and submit it. But you can always, after you've entered something, you can save it and it's going to stick around. That should be it. So enrich, after you go through and you submit, you save and submit, and it says there are no errors, it'll transition that to enrich items for, so this will go down to 3, this will hop up to 6, assuming nothing else has changed. Then you can come back in here and click on the next item and work through those attributes and that upload. So I think that should be it. I'll send this video link over to you in an email along with the login info, just in case you don't have it. But if you have any questions, give me a call. I'll be on the phone with Home Depot starting at noon, but after that I'll be free, so give me a call if you have any questions.